Good morning, everyone. Respected sir, principal madam, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Akbar. I am studying grade 5 in Alphabet Techno School. Today I am telling about the World Nature Conservation Day. Every year on 28th July, the World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated. It aims to increasing the awareness of the natural resource. Natural has provided us numerous gifts such as air, water, land, sunlight, minerals, plants and animals. We need to pay and close the attention of the conservation of these resources to save our future generations. Conservation goal includes the conserving habitat, preventing deforestation, maintaining soil organic matter, etc. Let us nurture nature to have a nurturing future. Thank you.